FitLabPGH back with a hydration tip. Very hot in the summer. You spend a lot of time in air conditioning or traveling. The air conditioner also dehumidifies the air, which is why it doesn't feel as hot and sticky when you're inside. So it's important to be able to hydrate enough. If you do a lot of traveling, it gets expensive to buy water, especially if you have a Labrador traveling with you. So you can carry a water bottle or a cup. You can do a simple water bottle. This is an ultimate direction bike bottle. Hydroflask makes really nice insulated stainless steel bottles. And if you see FitLab Pittsburgh or Moving2Live, ask us for a sticker. You can customize it. We've also gone a little bit overboard with insulated mugs for driving. We have a Moving2Live and FitLab Pittsburgh mugs that are insulated, powder coated, and CNC'd with our logo from Team Henry Designs. The whole goal behind all of these things is to make it easy to stay hydrated when you're traveling. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.